Hey, today I'm going to be making a breakfast stuffed peppers. The ingredients I'm going to be using is, of course, red bell peppers, eggs, cheese, grated cheese, heavy whipping cream, green onions, bacon, and spinach. So all you need to do is just add everything into the a bowl. Let me crack the eggs into this bowl. Just mix all this up together. A quick, simple recipe. Then you just add everything else in it and then mix it together. My scallions, green onions. I don't know why I call them scallions for. My cheese, just 2 ounces of cheese. You can put in how much you want to put in it. My spinach. My bacon. That's a half a cup of bacon. And my half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I don't know, did I say that before? About a half a cup of whipping cream. Salt and black pepper to your judgment. Then mix it together. You're going to use 3 bell peppers. You're going to cut them in half. You're going to cut them, you know how they come. Like that, and you're just going to cut them in half and clean them out. And always remember to leave this part on, because if you don't, it's going to leak through. And you're going to divide this mixture into these 6 portions. And you just put them in your baking dish, but you gotta make sure they are snug together so they won't spill over. Try to get you some peppers that are kind of flat at the bottom. And these are not really snug. My pan too big. So what I'm gonna do is take some aluminum foil. And just put it in here like this so that these peppers will stay up. Then you're just gonna, let me move this out the way. Divide this mixture up in between these peppers. Preferably get the big peppers. And this time of the year over here, the peppers are small. And if I didn't mention before, lightly grease your pan. And then with 2 ounces of grated cheese, just put it on top. Divide it in between these 6. Or you don't have to, that's up to you. And preheat your oven to 350. And it's going to cook for 45 minutes to 55 minutes until it's set. You judge that. So, yeah. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. That's how it's going to have to be. Okay. And put in the oven for 45 minutes to 55 minutes. But you can also go back and check maybe like 25 minutes into it to see if they set up or anything like that. Alright, I'll be back. Show you the end result. So my breakfast stuffed peppers are done. They're ready, and I'm just gonna pull a couple of them out. Oh Lord! Ah. Place it on there. Let me move this to the side. I'm gonna add some sour cream on it. Add some cheese first. Some more cheese. I'm gonna put a dollop of sour cream on it. I'm gonna sprinkle some parsley on it. And there you go. My breakfast stuffed peppers. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all for watching.